Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto E6i and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here we have to scroll down to find the security. Now let's tap on the fingerprint and basically if you've got any kind of screen lock you will have to enter it to confirm. If not, you will have to add it right now, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device using another method. So either set the screen lock or enter it to confirm. And here we've got the first step of basically adding the fingerprint. So we've got the information about the fingerprint sensor, so just tap on next. And here we've got the instructions that we have to touch the sensor, which is located on the back of our device right here. So all we have to do is to put our finger on it. And right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. So try to catch every corner, every part of your finger for better recognition, of course. Alright, we successfully added the fingerprint, so we can add another or just tap on done. Here we've got the fingerprint section, so this is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it just by tapping on it or remove it, and we can add another. So right now let me check if it will work. So let's lock the device and let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see the device is unlocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.